Hello children. Last class we have started our Padya Bhaga, that was Padya Bhaga lesson 1, Dashrathasya Paschatapaha. I told the story of Dashratha, how he got cursed. Once again we'll recall, but before that I would like to tell you that you need to prepare properly. You need to need thorough preparation in Sanskrit. It's not that it's Sanskrit we can prepare later, but I want that seriously, like other subjects, you prepare Sanskrit also, so that by the examination time risk will not be there. And I want that you should perfect in the subject so that we can get good marks. Very seriously, in every class I am telling that. So I hope you understand, and as we are completing the class, you sit with the subject, you complete your portion and the syllabus. Okay. So last class we have started Dashrathasya Paschatapaha, written by Valmiki, and I told that Valmiki Maharshi was Adi Kavi, and the Ramayana written by him is called Adi Kavyam. Here we have discussed, as per the story, that Ramayana had Sapta Kandaha, means total 7 parts are there in Ramayana, and we discussed what are the parts also. The parts are Balakandaha, in which Lord Ram's childhood story, childhood activities were discussed. Second, Ayodhya Kandaha, Aranya Kandaha, when he went to the forest, Kiskindha Kandaha, when Hanuman was searching Sita in Lanka, Sundar Kandaha, when Hanuman met Sita, Yuddha Kanda, when Rama fought with Ravana, and Uttar Kandaha, the after war the situation. Here the as we have learned in last class also, that in Ramayana Chaturvinshati Sahasra Shloka, Chaturvinshati means 24,000 shlokas are there, total shlokas are there in Ramayana. In Ramayana, what is there in Ramayana? So Ramayana, Asmin means in Ramayana, Sri Ramasya Charitam Varnitam. Charitam, the character of Rama, how graceful, how interesting story of Ramayana, the character of Ram. We can learn so many things by seeing Ram's character. What we can learn from Ramayana, the Srimad Ramayane, Dampatyoha Paraspar Anuraga. Dampati means couple. Paraspar Anuraga, mutual understanding and love and affection. Bhratru Prema, how to learn brothers. Guru Bhakti, Pitru Vakya Paripalanam, how to obey your elders or parents. Mitra Sneha, Sharanagata Rakshanam, Dharmanushthanam, Prajaranjaka Palanam, Ityadi Aneka Acharaniya Dharmasustuhu Niropitaha. That's why this sloka is given that Yavat Sthayanti Girayaha Saritascha Mahitale, Tavad Ramayana Katha Lokeshu Pracharishyati. As long as the mountains and rivers will be there on the earth, Ramayana will be there on the earth. Now, Ayam Pathya Bhaga, in this lesson, Valmiki Ramayane Ayodhya Kanda. From where this lesson has been taken? Ramayana. From, you can say that, ma'am, it is taken from Ramayana. Yes, of course, it is taken from Ramayana, but it is taken from Valmiki Ramayane Ayodhya Kandat. As we have discussed, 7 kandas are there. In those 7 kandas, from Ayodhya Kanda, this lesson is taken from 63 and 64th chapter. Atra putra viyogena Dashrathasya marana karanat muni shapa vrittanta varnitaha. Putra viyogena, how Dashratha why Dashratha need to send his son to forest, what actually happened in past, how he got cursed. All the story is explained in this lesson. And in this lesson, this was the story when Dashratha was explaining this story, what happened in the past to Kausalya. Putruvagin dukhi Dashratha Kausalyam prati amo vrittantam shravanti. Here we have learned that Dashratha felt that separation from his son Sri Rama was because of making a mistake in youthful days, which was subjected to curse of a saint. He was narrating this story to Kausalya. So here he was narrating the story and he was telling that before doing one action, a wise man will think one or twice of the result of that particular action, that if I'll do this work, what will be the result? It is going to give me a good result or bad result. If the person is not able to decide that, he is stupid or fool. So that's why Guru Lagavam Arthanam Arambhe Karmanam Phalam Dosham Vana Janati Bala iti. Bala means innocent person. Bala means child, innocent person. Iti uchyate. When I was in my youthful days, here the story was explaining by Dashratha to Kausalya that when he was youth, he was very good at archery and he was able to shoot the arrow without seeing the thing, only by listening the sound, and by this skill he did a mistake and a sin. I went to the bank of river Saryu, it became dark, and I was searching for animal all the night. Meanwhile, I heard some sound of water. Actually, it was the sound of filling a pot with water, but I mistook it for an elephant drinking a water. Actually, one person was filling water near the river, but what Dashratha thought that it was an animal. I felt like hunting the elephant. I set an arrow and shot it in the direction of the sound. I went in search of the elephant in the night. I was shocked to find a wailing boy of a saint as my arrow wounded him fatally. Dashratha shot an arrow and it was wounded a sage's son. Now Muni Kumarasya Vilapa, because he wounded, he was crying and he was very painful. With a painful voice, the boy said, I am a meditating lad and I don't know who had shot this arrow at me. I came here to take water for my parents who are waiting for me for water, and I am the only person to take care of them. If I'll die now, who will take care of him? So here, Dwandho, my father is weak and old and I can't do any harm to you, though he knows that you have killed me. So please go to my parent, give them this water and tell them what had happened. Dashratha shot an arrow and that was hit to a boy, a lad who was meditating over there. Actually, he came to take water for his parent, but now the boy was wounded and he was requesting Dashratha, that he was telling Dashratha, what harm I did that you killed me? You shot arrow on me. So please go to my parent, tell them what had actually happened and give them this water. Mune Samipam Dashratha Gamanam. Dashratha took the pitcher of water and walked according to the direction given by the boy. The water pitcher, he was taken to the sage, the parent of the boy who wounded and died, and now Dashratha was taking the water to his parent. He saw the parents of the boy and they were like the birds whose wings were broken. They were very old, they were blind, so they were like a bird without wings. What will they cannot go anywhere without the help of the boy, as the bird cannot fly because without the wings. When they heard the sound of my feet, My feet means here my means Dashratha, because this story was explaining by Dashratha to Kausalya. So here Dashratha is telling that when they heard the feet sound, my feet sound, they thought that their son had come. They said, my son, have you come? Why it took a long time? We are thirsty. Give us water. Then Dashratha spoke, O great man, I am very sorry to say that I am not your son. Here, the parents were waiting for the son who went out to get the water for them because they were very thirsty. Now, the son didn't come back, and in the place of son, Dashratha came, and they thought that actually their son is back, and they were talking to the person by thinking that the person is their son. My son, have you come? Why it took a long time? We are thirsty. Give us water. Then Dashratha spoke, O great man, I am very sorry to say that I am not your son. I am Dashratha, the king of this kingdom. I was on the hunting around of wild animals. Meanwhile, I heard the sound of water. What was the sound of water? That boy was filling the water. I assumed that it was an elephant and shot my arrow. But it was your son who was filling his pitcher with water. I found it when I went there. My arrow killed your son. Out of ignorance, your son was killed because I didn't knew that what was there. By only listening the sound, I shot the arrow. That's why we shouldn't do any work without thinking once or twice. Dashratha shot the arrow without making sure that animal is there. Only by listening the sound, he shot the arrow and that shoot the boy. Ignorance, your son was killed. Please tell me what I should do now. I will undergo the punishment you are order. Whatever you will order me, I am ready to follow that. The old couple could not bear the sad news because they were very old, they were blind, and with the son was the only hope of their life. The boy was the only person who can take care of them. Now the son is dead. Of course, parents will be very sad. The old sage looked into the direction of Dashratha, from where the sound is coming, where the person sound is coming. He looked there and spoke with trembling voice because he was in very deep sorrow. He was crying, and the trembling voice, I believe your words that you killed my son by mistake. I believe you. That mistake had happened. You did it in ignorance, but you will also suffer from the pangs of separation from your son. You will die in the same pain. Thus I was cursed. Here, the old sage cursed Dashratha that as I am suffering of the separation of my son, I am crying for my son. One day that day will come when you will also suffer in the separation of your son and you will die. This was the sage's curse. And this was the reason, was explaining by Dashratha to Kausalya, that why he had to face this situation when Rama is going to forest and he was get separated with his son. Here, what was the Muni's or sage's curse? That I believe your words that you killed my son by mistake, though you did it in mistake, but you will also suffer from the pain of separation from your son. You will die in the same pain. Thus I was cursed. As I am suffering the pain of separation of my son, one day you will also suffer from the same pain. Putra vyasanam jam dukham yade tanmam sampraptam evam tvam putra shokena rajana kalam karishyasi. This is very, very important line. Putra vyasanajam dukham yade tanmam sampraptam. As you gave the separation pain right now to me, evam tvam, just like that, tvam means you, putra shoken, in the separation of the son, in the for son, rajan kalan karishyasi, O king, you will also die one day. This was the curse. So here it was the story of how Dashratha got separation from Rama, what had actually happened. So here what is the conclusion of the lesson is, what people do something in their youthful days for entertainment will make them feel repentance in their old age. So we should take the right decision in right time, when we are young, when we are capable to do the work, so that it will give the good result for our old days, for our future. So all should do good things only. Whatever you will do, you should decide or think once or twice that if I am going to do this work, this will give me a good result, my future will be safe, and it will give no harm to me. So this is the story. So the lesson, story or conclusion is, what people do something in their youthful days for entertainment will make them feel repentance in their old age. As Dashratha did, he shot the arrow without seeing properly, and it was the cause for his curse, and he got separation from Rama and he died. Man does something with a smile on his face and bears the consequences of what he does sadly. So this was the story, children. I hope you understand, you enjoyed the story. Now is going on, we all are at home, we are watching Ramayana is being telecast. You can watch Ramayana, you can see what happened actually, you can better understand. But you read yourself, you try to understand, you will understand more better. So this is the end of our Padya Bhaga lesson 1, and you read it. Next class will, as I told that from this lesson we have to learn summary or Nibandha Prashna for 6 marks, annotations, 2 marks question and 1 mark question. So next class I'll go with 1 mark question and 2 mark questions. So this is the end of the class, children. I hope you understand. Be safe at home. Don't move here and there so much. Don't go out. Thank you, children.